shuttles to Copley over here because of the green line shutdown that they're doing from, at least for the Boston College side, it's from Copley to Babcock. This is where they're lining up. They got Van Hools, they got transit style Nova LFS buses, and then they got Peter Pan helping out too. So from, say, Boston College to Babcock, that's where the green line is running for the B branch itself. And then they're gonna get off here at Babcock, and then after that, the train is gonna loop back around and then go back using this track over here. So they got Academy, they got Peter Pan way down there. Camera's not doing it justice, but there's Academy and Peter Pan on this branch. And then on the Cleveland Circle side, so they're doing shuttles from Copley to Cleveland Circle. And then on the Riverside branch, it's from Copley to Brookline Hills. So it's a lot of different companies. I know it sounds confusing, but it's a lot. It's a lot of, like, say, different companies up now. See Peter Pan back there. So we'll see which one. We'll see whichever one we take. Peter Pan with the J4500, the one that I just shown 7015. That's a 2019 model. This one here, Academy, I don't know what model year this is, but it looks nice though. Handicap accessible and Wi-Fi on it, so that's nice. See, you got more Academy buses right there. That's 6773. That's 6828 right there. I don't know if they're from the branch you girls or something. Either way, it's cool to see the different companies coming together to, like, lend helping hands. That's real cool. And then this is Babcock over there on the other side. So coming from Copley, that's where the buses, they get off, and then they loop around the green line tracks. Then they come around, and then they come back here, or they'll wait in like a line over here where you see them now. That's how they're doing it.